The new BMW X5 5th generation with factory index G65 marks a major technological breakthrough for the brand. The crossover is built on the advanced architecture of the Neue Klasse, which sets a new level of functionality and design. Production is scheduled to start in August 2026 at the company in Spartanburg, USA, and already at the presentation stage, the model attracts attention with radical changes in appearance and content. The exterior of the car has become noticeably more expressive. The X-shaped optics in the double X style play a key role in the appearance, which can be deactivated if desired. This gives the owner the opportunity to personalize the appearance. The narrow radiator grille is complemented by a backlight and visually merges with the headlights, forming a solid graphic accent. The door handles have been replaced with hidden winglets mechanisms. These are elegant sliding elements integrated into the body pillars. The doors are equipped with a soft closing system, and fully automatic doors are available as an option, increasing the comfort of boarding and disembarking. The dimensions of the crossover have undergone important changes. The wheelbase has been increased by about 6 centimeters, 2.4 inches, compared to the previous generation, which directly affects the space for second-row passengers. Now there's noticeably more legroom and overall comfort. The size of the wheels ranges from 21 inches in the basic configuration to an impressive 23 inches in the top versions, emphasizing the status and dynamic nature of the model. The interior of the X5 G65 has been reinterpreted with an emphasis on digital technology and premium materials. Instead of the traditional dashboard, the panoramic iDrive system is implemented. Key data is displayed on a wide, dark strip of glass at the base of the windshield, stretched across its entire width, which allows you to keep your focus on the road and simultaneously receive all the necessary information. A 17.9-inch trapezoidal multimedia screen serves as the central control element, and for the first time, a separate 14.6-inch touchscreen is provided for the front passenger, designed for entertainment and individual settings. The interior trim combines innovative and classic solutions. Natural slate, vegan Veganza materials, and premium individual merino leather are used in the design, and special cushions for relaxation are available in a number of trim levels, increasing comfort on long trips. Power plants are represented by 5 options, covering a wide range of preferences. The petrol version of the X5 40iX Drive is equipped with an upgraded 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with a capacity of 394 horsepower. The range also includes diesel modifications. The hybrid segment is represented by plug-in hybrids, among which the sporty version of M60e X-Drive stands out, which develops 612 horsepower and is capable of traveling up to 100 kilometers exclusively on electricity. The all-electric version of iX5 60 X-Drive is equipped with a 141 kilowatt-hour battery, providing a range of over 600 kilometers, and in optimal conditions, up to 750 to 845 kilometers on the WLTP cycle. Thanks to the 800V architecture, charging from 10% to 80% takes only 22 minutes. In the future, by 2028, the iX5 hydrogen modification with an estimated range of about 750 kilometers will be included in the series. The timing of market entry. Petrol versions will appear first, while hybrid and electric versions will go on sale in early 2027. Pricing varies by region. In the United States, the price starts at about $71,250 for the X5 40 with rear-wheel drive, and top-end versions, including the iX5 60 X-Drive electric car, are priced from $81,250. In Europe, using Germany as an example, prices start at 94,800 euros for the X5 40D X-Drive diesel version, while the X5 M60e X-Drive Sport Hybrid version is priced at around 125,000 euros. Did you like the car? Friends, subscribe to the channel and like it.